Okay, just want to quickly show you this thing. So there's this app called Anylist, and here it is. There's a shopping list. Look, we're going to get a wine variety pack, some blueberries, and some bananas. My wife, Carla, always types ahead but doesn't utilize like pre ones. So let me show you this. I love this app in general. So there's one bananas with 4 bananas, but it shows it's got an image. I always prefer the image. So take this, get rid of it, like that. So anyway, this is Anylist. So it manages your shopping list, but it also manages recipes. So come in here, a whole bunch of recipes that were, because of the JSON-LD, able to just pop right in here. And then it's also smart enough, like, oh, we just made this like harvest. I don't know if you ever get a harvest bowl from Sweet Green, but like a knockoff of it. So sweet potato, get some kale. So by clicking on that, it by default goes over to my shopping list. Oops, sorry, let me come back to that. So if I go back to shopping, the primary list, we'll now see sweet potato for the Sweet Green Harvest Bowl knockoff, and then also kale, right? So you get the gist. So I'm going to get rid of these because actually that's what I did the other day. So that list is ready, but let me show you something really cool. So if I'm here, let me come back and go to the recipes, right? So go in there, let me pull this up down simultaneous. Okay, so we'll get smaller. All right, so here I got to do my stupid code to get access to my Cooking with Babu. So let me do my secret code. Oops. Oh, I just gave away my secret code. Shh, don't tell anybody. All right, let's try that again. There we go. All right, so go to the secret lab from which I can go to Cooking with Babu. So here's Waffle Mania. This one I know is actually connected. So there's Waffle Mania in the right format. If I do an inspect, or let's just look at the source code, we'll see here that you actually have this. There's the script with the application LD plus JSON. So it basically repeats the entire recipe in this format. And then down here, you see it in its pretty format, right? So you get all the same content with instructions and so on, steps, ingredients, but it's all repeated right here. This is the crucial stuff. So let me close it back up. And so we're looking at the page. I'm visiting a page. I say, oh, this is a site that uses LD JSON. I just happen to know. And when I come in here, notice I have an extension that's here for the Anylist recipe import. So when I click on that, boom, it just looks through this current page, finds an image for it, which is all referenced in the LD JSON stuff. It finds the ingredients, looks there, sure enough. Finds the steps, sure enough, right? And then, by the way, I like that you can preview the steps and modify them, and you can mess with all sorts of things. So that's what it's going to look like. That's good. And then just say save it, and it's actually going into here. We should see it right at the top. Now, of course, I probably already had added it, but now in Anylist, there's my Waffle Mania, same guy that was on this website. But now if I click on it, like sure enough, flour, bacon, blah blah blah, and then the ingredients, full recipe, so we see those same steps. There you go. Carla's heart-shaped waffle recipe. All right, so anyway, that's that. Pretty cool. But now let's just go over to, like, let me just do any recipes. Let's pick a random one. Smash burgers. Burger recipe. Okay, there we go. And then I don't know, all of these sites may or may not actually support it, but let's just pick like Serious Eats. So here's one, la 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 la. If you look far enough, pretty much all recipes look the same. We're going to see how to prepare it. Now there's more than one image, obviously there's a very friendly, probably overdone imagery. And here we go, ingredients, directions, right? So if I'm here, and if they support LD-JSON, if I do that same click, sure enough, it looks like they do. So there's the ultimate smash cheeseburger. There's the photo, 5 ingredients. Get the idea, and 4 steps. Get the idea. Same old preview. Flip. Go back, save it, and then we just see it just got added over here too. Now, of course, it doesn't have all the other bonus images. Well, that looks like crap. So that's something you might want to edit. As a rule, here they found nutrition information as well. That's always handy when the site has that. And then viewing the full recipe. By the way, when you go in this mode on Anylist, let's say on an iPad, it'll stay up and not go blank, I think, on you. It actually shuts off the screensaver, which is nice because you don't want to touch that stuff while you're cooking. So anyway, there you go. Interesting, isn't it? Now that's weird how it's all bolded up there. Right? So we could go back in and fix that too. So we done that, go to ingredients, probably this is all just something just doesn't look right here. Get 2 ounce balls. So if we wanted to, we could edit this. Let's see, edit the recipe. I'm coming to the ingredients, and here's where it's like there. Something just doesn't look right there, right? So blah, 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 blah. 4 ounces, blah, blah, blah. Let's see, 4 ounces. Okay, X, put it right here. So you're done. It'll probably look better now. So come back here, save it. Yeah, now it actually looks right. You get the gist. So we cleaned that up a little bit. It must have been the way they had it structured. Let's see, full recipe. It still looks weird the way it's bolded. Figure that out another time. All right, you got the gist. Done.